History quiz. What act came to be nicknamed as Gagging Act? Vernacular Press Act. Who organized the Harijan Sevak Sangh? Gandhiji. Who started the Satya Shodak Samaj? Jyotiba Phule. The founder of Servants of India Society. Gopala Krishna Gokhale. The father of Indology. Sri William Jones. Which Mughal ruler was known as Zindapir? Aurangzeb. Who invented Sitar? Amir Khusru. Who gave the famous slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Mohammad Iqbal. Who was popularly known as Deshabandhu? C.R. Das. The title Mahatma was given to Gandhiji by Tagore. The first viceroy of India was Lord Canning. Who attended all the three roundtable conferences? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as Deenabandhu? C.F. Andrews. Who was known as Gangai konda Chola? Rajendra Chola. Who is known as second Ashoka? Kanishka.